A quiet morning in the village. Hello. Today we listen to a calm story. Please sit down. Take a deep breath and relax. It is early morning. The sun is soft and warm. The sky is light blue. Birds sing in the trees. A small village is very quiet. There is a girl. Her name is Lena. Lena lives in a small house. Her house is near a river. The river is clean and slow. Lena wakes up early. She opens her window. She smiles. The air is fresh. She feels happy. Lena walks outside. She sees green trees. She sees flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, white flowers. They move in the wind. Lena walks to the river. She sits near the water. She listens. The water makes a soft sound. Shh, shh. It is peaceful. A small bird comes. The bird is blue. It sits near Lena. Lena looks at the bird. She smiles again. "Hello, little bird," Lena says. The bird sings. Lena feels calm. She does not speak. She only listens. Time moves slowly. The sun goes higher. The sky becomes bright. The village wakes up. People open their doors. They walk outside. They smile and say hello. "Good morning." "Good morning." Lena stands up. She walks back home. She is not in a hurry. She walks slowly. Inside her house, Lena drinks tea. The tea is warm. She holds the cup. She feels safe. She looks outside again. The trees are dancing. The light is soft. Everything is calm. Lena sits quietly. She closes her eyes. She listens to the world. Birds, wind, water. She smiles. This is a good morning. A quiet morning. A peaceful morning. Now, take a deep breath, slowly, and relax. The story is finished. Thank you for listening.